Did you get a new puzzle? And what's in this bag here? What did you get in that bag? What's in here?
That's what the money Christmas bill is.
Yeah, you got a lot of puzzles. What else is in the box? Can you see?
Money.
A lot? Uh-huh. Yeah, that's for your birthday.
And the sun?
Maybe.
Nej, det måste slippa det vara samman. Nej.
Can you see what's in the box? What else is in here? What else is in there? Can you pull something out? What's that? A coloring book? Another kitty. Wow. That's popcorn. We'll do that later. No, we'll do that later. Yeah. What are those? Crayons. Wow, what a present. Yeah, that's for Mama. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm excited for chocolate brownies. And popcorn. Is there anything else in the box? Is it all empty? Oh, it's a card. Should we open the card?
Yeah.
That's to... Is there a card for you, too? And this is mine. Thank heavens for daughters. Did you get a bunny? Did you get a bunny? Oh. A rabbit. Yeah? Hurrah! You are lucky. What's inside? It says, Happy birthday from Grandpa and Grandma Syme. Yeah. Can we put this puzzle together? Okay, we're going to turn the camera off now so we can play the puzzle. Can you say thank you to Grandpa?
Thank you, Grandpa.
Yeah, thank you, Papa.